Amir Shah. I am the director of Art and Craft Bazaar, which is on the way of Gulmarg. So right now we are at Baramulla. This district is a bigger district of Kashmir, Baramulla. So Baramulla is famous for so many things, but especially we are very famous for Kashmir art, as you know. In Kashmir art, there are several items, which is number one. The first thing is Kashmir carpets. Kashmir carpets are world best carpets, as you know. Why? Because these carpets are known as hand knotted carpets. To making techniques, if you can zoom over here, you can see the people who makes these types of carpets. They are putting a single knot in a single thread. First, if you can see the base of the carpet, there is two layers, one from the front side and one from the back side. Then they twist two plies from the carpet. They made an English tape out of it with that silken thread that is known as a one-pointer carpet. To make these types of carpets, we required millions and billions points of the carpets. Okay. The designs, if you can see, the carpet makers use these designs. It's kind of a musicians are making their own notes, as well as these carpet makers are making their own notes. These are known as tali sheets. So according these papers, they put the color combination, the designs of the carpets. To make these sort of carpets, it took us around 1.5 years to complete. The size of this room is right now 12 by 18. It takes us around 1.5 years for 4 people. Today actually only 3 people working here, but we put 4 people to work on these carpets. Then the second item, which is very famous, is Pashmina. Maybe you heard about the Pashmina.
Yeah,
exactly. So Pashmina is basically a wool which comes from the rare Tibetan antelope, who lives at height of near about 14,000 feet upon the Himalayas. So we have these techniques to make a shawls, to make a cloth. You can see here. Then after making a cloth, we have 3 types of work on the shawls. One is this one, which is very famous. These shawls are known as Khani shawls. Why we call them a Khani? Because we make these shawls with the help of these wooden sticks.
okay.
And the designs we took it from the graphic paper. If you can see from the back side, there is a graphic paper. We took a design from that graphic paper. According that graphic paper, we decide where we have to put each colors.
Okay. So how many days it takes to complete one pashmina?
Khani shawl takes around 8 months to complete.
8 months.
8 months to complete a per person.
Okay.
But if we have a plain one, then we are very famous for sozni as well. This is known as a sozni.
Okay.
Why we call this sozni? Because if you can zoom, this gentleman, he is doing this work with the help of needle. With the help of needle, they are making the world best pashmina shawl, which is known as sozni. Sozni jamawa.
Okay.
Jamas, jals, then a side. There will be lots of designs. Then the second work which we are famous is known as hook work. He do this type of work with the help of hook. That is known as a chain stitch work as well. With the help of those hook works, we make bed sheets, we make kurtis, we make coats, we make dress materials. There are so many items which we make. So we are just helping the artisans, and I hope whole India will definitely help us to
preserve this.
Preserve this exactly.
So are there now in this generation artisans are there, or there is a?
No, well, you can say nowadays it's like dying art.
Dying.
No younger generation wants to be in this. Everyone believes on the white collar job right now. So to make these types of things, we are only, you can see the elder people.
Very less, few artisans.
Very few. But now we are trying to involve some other people, some younger generation, with the help of JK Tourism, with the help of JK government. They are giving us a good
boost
to promote art. We have done exhibitions as well, road shows as well for these Kashmir arts.
So all these artisans are from here only, from Kashmir.
From Kashmir.
Okay, so is there any training for such art?
Yeah, of course we have a training sessions, we have a training institutes
Okay.
where they get trained. Especially nowadays, girls, the younger girls, they want to be in this, but from the village side. As I said, like everyone lives on the white collar job, right? So this is very
So
Process of skill development as far as
skill development is still working, but not on that level. अभी now as I said कि हमारी अभी कुछ दिनों पहले गवर्नमेंट से भी बात हुई है और स्किल डेवलपमेंट वी आर प्रमोटिंग दिस आर्ट. हम कोशिश करते हैं बातें करते हैं कि काफ़ी सारी जगहों पे ऐसे इंस्टीट्यूट कायम करें जिससे यंग जनरेशन सीखने को मिले. Then it depends on them. Either they will go for this or not, but at least हम उनको रास्ता तो दिखाएं कैसे कर सकते हैं.
so आप
अभी
go
मैं इसको आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेक इट इन इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में. खैर कश्मीर आर्ट की बात की जाए तो इट्स नॉट न्यू इन द मार्केट. यानी आई एम द 4th जनरेशन वर्किंग हियर फॉर दिस. तो कश्मीर आर्ट आई गेस कि देयर आर 95% इन द वर्ल्ड दे नो अबाउट द कश्मीर आर्ट. सो इसको ज़्यादा एडवर्टीजमेंट करने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट ऑफकोर्स यस हमें आर्टिजनों की ज़रूरत है.
okay.
दैट वी रिक्वायर.
और ये इसका मेजर मार्केट किधर है ये यानी
मेजर मार्केट की बात करें तो ये तो हर जगह पे है. वर्ल्ड के हर किसी कोने में आपको कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, बट कश्मीर आर्ट की कोई ना कोई दुकान आपको जरूर
मिलेगी.
दैट इज द प्लस.
सो आप
सो आई कैन से कि दुनिया के हर कोने से कश्मीर आर्ट को प्यार करने वाले